Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix speaker clacking sound issue in Samsung Galaxy A25. If you're using Galaxy A25 and you're facing the issue that from your phone speaker, you might be having crackling sounds issue. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to physically check your speakers that if might be any dust or any dirt in your speakers, so you can try to completely clean that out. And once I've completely cleaned your speakers, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can simply go to your settings app here. The very first thing, go to software update and click on check for updates, and you must have to make sure that your software might have any pending software update here. If you find this site updates your software, then just go back. After updating software, you have to simply go to YouTube here, and in your YouTube you have to search for 165 Hz speaker clean. Search for this. You might see a lot of videos. You just have to simply open anyone from here, so it will have a sound. The video have a sound of almost 165 Hz, which will help you to clean your speakers. So you just have to play the video or play the sound and just maximize the volume, so it will automatically clean your speakers. But if it's still not worked for you, your issue is still not fixed, so you can try to make a restart with your phone. Just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. So normal restart, you can easily fix any software glitch or any technical error with your phone, and once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to settings app again, go to general management, go to reset, and here just select reset all settings. It will not delete any kind of your phone data and instead of your any kind of your phone data like your videos, your photos, your apps, your accounts, or anything of your personal data. It will just reset all your phone setting to its default. Just click on this reset settings and then click on this reset option to confirm to reset your settings. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any issue with your phone setting, it might be fixed in the step, so you will not get this issue again. But if you are still facing the same issue after resetting your phone settings, so there's the only way. You just have to try to check your speakers if they're damaged or not. Because sometimes it might be your speakers are physically damaged, so you might get these type errors. So you just have to try to check or repair your speakers, and after that, your issue will be fixed, and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.